What's up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today I'm going to be showing you the secret menu on the LG Stylo 5. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you a secret menu on the LG Stylo 5. Not too many people know about this, so I'm super hyped to go ahead and reveal this to you. Now I'm going to basically talk about why you should use this, and we're going to go ahead and start that right now. So first of all, we're going to go into the dialer application, and I'm going to actually show you how to pull this up. Now what you're going to want to put in is star pound 546368, and then we're going to do pound star, and we're going to actually want to put the model number of the phone. So for the LG Stylo 4, it would actually be 710, but this is the LG Stylo 5, so we're going to put 720, and then we're going to go ahead and press pound, and this is actually going to pop up right here. Now I'm going to tell you why right now, why you guys should be using this. Number one, we have the device test, we have the ORT test, we have the SVC menu, we have the field test. Now, if you guys aren't experienced in this, I would not use the other three, but you guys can definitely use the device test because I'm going to be showing you how to use it right now. Now, the reason why you guys should be using this is if you get a faulty LG Stylo 5 and you suspect something's not working. Maybe it's the camera, maybe it's the stylus, maybe it's the LED light up there, or something else, just something that you don't think is working. You can actually test it in this secret menu. So the next thing we're going to do is press device test, and we're going to press SAAT. No, it's not the regular SAT, but this is basically a phone test. Now we have 5 different things right here. It says service menu auto test, we have service menu manual test, we have service AAT version, service menu optional test, service menu test result. So what you're going to want to go ahead and use is service menu manual test. You're not going to want to use the auto test, you're going to want to use the manual test, especially if you're just starting this off. So first of all, go ahead and click on that. Now, as I said before, if you think anything is wrong with your phone, if you think there's something faulty with your device, you can actually test every little thing on here, and we're going to go through those right now. Now, first and foremost, we have auto detecting item test, we have key press test, we have display check test, we have ring test, we have vibrated test, NFC test, motion sensor test, loopback test, GPS test, touch draw test, camera. So a lot of you actually want to go ahead and try that out. We have PDAF test, we have camcorder test, we have camera VT test, we have FM radio test, LED test, OTG test, and charging test, and we have fingerprint test. Now I'm going to go ahead and try a few of these out, so let's go ahead and try fingerprint test out. Now it's going to show all of these things right here: SPI, zone, checkboard, rubber stamp. So we're going to go ahead and start this off, and we're going to actually use the fingerprint sensor. So as you guys see, we pass the test, so you're going to press pass right there. Now, maybe you think that the vibrator doesn't work inside of your phone. Maybe you think it's broken or something. Go ahead and click this. Your phone will start vibrating, as you guys can hear. And you can basically pick if it passed or failed. So this one passed. We also have the ring test. This passed right here. Another cool one is actually the LED test. So as you guys see, the LED shows right there, and red. We're going to go ahead and press pass. Now, if you guys are stuck in a test, maybe the NFC test, just go ahead and click and hold the power button and press pass. So there are many different tests on here that you guys can go ahead and check out. I just thought this was really cool because a lot of people sell faulty phones. A lot of people sell phones that actually have issues on their device that they don't actually disclose, maybe in an eBay or swap listing, and I really think they should go ahead and disclose that. And if you guys think something is faulty on your LG Stylo 5 or your Stylo 4, whatever LG device you have, you can actually go ahead and test it. You have the proof for it, and bring it back to your Metro PCS and or eBay seller. And we also have our service menu test right here if you guys want to go ahead and see which one passed and which one did not pass. Also, if you guys ever get stuck right here, it's not a press, it's a swipe. So you go ahead and swipe all the way and it takes you back. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video and you learned something new, definitely hit the like button down below, as well as subscribing if you are not a part of the Tech Gang already, and hitting that notification bell if you guys want to stay notified for every future video. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.